Math Step-by-Step Solver is an Android application designed to assist users in solving mathematical problems by providing detailed, step-by-step solutions. This app typically covers a wide range of mathematical topics, including algebra, calculus, geometry, and statistics, making it a valuable resource for students and anyone looking to improve their math skills. With an intuitive interface, users can input their math problems, and the app will analyze them to deliver comprehensive explanations and calculations. This feature not only helps users find the correct answers, but also enhances their understanding of the underlying concepts and methodologies involved in solving various problems. Additionally, Math Step-by-Step Solver often includes functionalities such as history tracking of previous problems, the ability to save or bookmark solutions, and practice exercises for reinforcement. Overall, the app serves as a practical tool for learners seeking to enhance their mathematical abilities and gain confidence in tackling complex equations and concepts.